Hi dear students, welcome back to your online GK class. Today we are going to see some riddles. Okay, first one. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? Here you can see only one face, two hands but no arms or legs. What it is? Clock. Okay, second one. What has a neck but no head? Here it has a neck but no head. What it is? Bottle. Okay. Next comes, everyone has it and no one can lose it. What is it? It is shadow. Okay. It's shadow. Fourth one. What needs to be broken before we can use it? What needs to be broken before we can use it? It's egg. E-G-G. It's egg. Okay. Fifth one. What has four legs but cannot walk? It is table. Here you can see it has four legs but it cannot walk. It is table. Sixth one. What has many rings but no fingers? It has many rings but no fingers. Here it has many rings. When you make a call, you can hear many ringing. It has many rings but no finger. It is telephone. Okay. Next one. What has eyes that cannot see and a tongue that cannot taste? Here you can see so many eyes are there and a tongue is there, but it cannot taste with the tongue and it cannot see with the eyes. It's shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Eighth one. What is black when it is clean and white when it is dirty? It is blackboard. When you write something, okay, when you write with white chalk, it become dirty. When you clean it, it become black. It is blackboard. Then, ninth one. What starts and ends with E and has a letter in it? It is envelope. This is the envelope. The starting and ending is E and it has a letter in it. You can put a letter in this car, in this cover. Okay. What is? It is envelope. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. Envelope. Okay. 10th one. What can clap without any hands? What can clap without any hands? Without any hand can clap. It's thunder. What? It's thunder. T-H-U-N-D-E-R. Thunder. Next one. What has bark but cannot bite? What has a bark but cannot bite? It has bark. This is called bark. It's tree. Okay, what? It is tree. Next, last one. What has a thumb and forefinger but it is not alive? It has a thumb and four fingers but it is not alive. What? It is glove. G-L-O-V-E. It's glove. Okay. So dear students, please understand this topic and complete your work. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.